It's Blunt Cut Metalworks, June 22nd, 2016. And I know this probably don't mean a heck of a lot, but I will show you something. This is the, let me see the camera there, is the calibration block. It's 61.9 Rockwell. Anyway, I got to quickly calibrate it, and it should be around, you know, if we get anywhere, you know, plus or minus a quarter point, then we are good. Okay, so I done this before, and should be right about there. So it's a slightly high, so I gotta move it a little bit. Okay, right there. That, you know, very close. I calibrate before this video anyway, and I take the block off. And this is got a skinny 3V chopper. Well, it still have the scale on it, but I also make half tang, got a field knife, and I'm going to test it. It's, you know, video and you don't know it's 3V or, you know, whatever. So, but make just for entertainment, pretend that's 3V if you want. And okay, I'll crank it up. Okay, and see what I got. I'm going to do, yeah, this one reading. And that said 66. Okay, let me see if I got it too close to the other point. Okay, I'll read another one close to it. Oh, come on. This one said 67. Let me read one so you can see all the little dimple. I will read one maybe away from it, over here a little bit, maybe. Alright. Bye-bye. You got, okay, stick it away. This one's, it's about 66.8 or so. So it's above 65.5. The reason for the video pretty much is you know, what the maximum hardness 3V can attain. From this video, let me go back and go back to the calibration block, so that we know that it did a lot in the midway. This block didn't get, this reader didn't change. Sometimes that when the reader is cold, the hydraulic or thing like that, oh well, got a little messed up. So the block is 61.9. Okay, so this block right now it reads about 62.1. So let me adjust it a little bit. Thing move a little bit. It's 10. So I went to the trouble. I want to do another reading. Yeah, it's for my record as well, but it's boring. But what I'm going to do is I make this knife, working hardness about 65 Rockwell, or I might leave it harder. Come on, get a tiny bit, not much. Okay. This one, it look already a little soft. So I mean the reading depends where I grind. So a tiny soft, it's a little over 66. So yeah, I think that spot right there. How about I read one right here then? And because that one a little shiny and where there are not any surface imperfect. Okay. That one give me a little bounce. Could be not balanced. That one says 66.5. Well, I think it well, just for my information anyway, I'm going to switch it on this side and the test right there. I'm going to make a lot of dimple on this thing here. It's funny how it just go way up here instead of over here. This thing is about 66.6 or so. Alright, well, thanks for watching.